Hi guys, it's Melanie Pierce with Royal LePage Triland here in London, Ontario, and I'm here to share with you the market update for this past month. So the average price was $615,895. That is down from last month by $5,081, but up from last year by 2.1%. So we're seeing a lot of ups and downs right now, and sadly, prices are still kind of crawling downwards, although we are seeing some multiple offers here and there. The sales to new list ratio is at 46.6%. So that is what amount of new listings are coming on in the same month as what has sold. So that's a good ratio to look at to foresee what's going on with the market right now. The average price in the East End is at $513,283. That is up from last month by $6,076, and also up from last year by 4.4%. So the East End's doing well. Way to go, guys. Obviously, I'm a true supporter. The South End average price is $620,727. That's down from last month by $1,398. So nothing of consequence, really. That's not really a large number. Up from last year by 2.8%. So the South is holding their own. The North End, the average price is $709,361. I'll say the whole number, right? Down from last month by a whopping $13,120. So the North End got kicked in the shins this month. But down also from last year, but only by 0.8%. So that's really inconsequential. What we're seeing right now is we are kind of hovering between that balanced market and towards the buyer's market right now. So that's why prices have been crawling down. They're not spinning down like they were last year, which is better. And we're all talking about a better market come the spring of 2025. Now, I wanted to put out a question to everyone who watches these videos. If you are out buying a house, you're looking to buy a house, when you're going out to open houses, are you ready to buy a house at that point, or are you just kicking tires? I think this is important to know. And I think from a seller's perspective, if you're a seller or if you want to be a seller in the future, do you believe that open houses, public open houses on the weekend, you see them all the time, are they useful? So if you have a moment to just explain your thoughts on public open houses, I would love to hear them. Just add them on down below and we'll talk again soon. Thanks so much. Remember, it is a beautiful day to sell real estate. Cheers, guys.